Hey guys, happy new year's. Welcome back to my channel. I am YaYa and this is my O2 RSX turbocharged. In this video you're going to see me installing the intercooler and the intercooler piping. That is the last thing I wanted to do before getting this baby started for the first time in months. So let's jump right into the video. So right now, in order to fit the intercooler, we're going to have to cut off some tabs that are sticking out so it can fit. That's what I'm about to do. I already cut this one off. Let's head to the second one. So we cut the tabs up that was blocking the intercooler from going in. We measure. Now we're going to drill a hole for the screws for the mounting tabs for the intercooler. So I just drilled the holes. Now I'm gonna try to put the intercooler in. There you go. One second. There you go. Yep, perfect. So now that I mounted the intercooler, I test fitted all the piping to make sure we have all the pieces we need. We're going to put it together. So I did run into a little issue here. I'm missing the clip that connects the turbo to the pipe, and I'm also missing one silicone coupler to connect this pipe to the bottom pipe. So I'm going to run to Import DPS, our local store here. So I'm here at Import DPS to pick up some parts that I need to finish the intercooler and also to pick up a new radiator because, as you saw, mine is completely done.
Hey,
what's up?
I just got here.
Oh, thank you.
Quick shipping, you know?
Yep, that was fast.
Always taking care of you guys.
Thank you. If I can. So guys, everything is done. We mounted the intercooler and connected the intercooler piping. Everything is nice and tight. Right now, we're about to plug in the cable and the battery and start this baby up. It's what I've been waiting for. All this hard work to see what comes out of it. So here we go, guys, the moment we all been waiting for. I'm gonna start my RSX for the first time in so long after all this work. Let's see what happens. second time. We're gonna try this again. If it doesn't start, we're gonna leave that battery charging and then come right back to it. So let's see. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Nope. So there you have it. Gonna leave it charging and get right back to it. See you guys later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So last time we tried, the car didn't start. The battery was completely drained, so I left it charging overnight. Let's see if it starts now.